We want the victim's family to get a justice. We don't want to fishing out from a troubled water. There are so many incidents. Even 10 years, 15 years, till now, the CBI could not be able to come out with even a one accused. So in this case, we are very clear, because already in the between 2016 to 2020, the last 4 years, more than 6,000 and odd girls are missing. Almost 5,000 and odd of them are minor girls. Whether they have been sold to other states or they have been involved in some other rackets, or they might have been used for organ transplant racket. So it has to be proved. Nothing is coming out. That is the reason we are told very categorically. Because what is the use of the CBI of Narendra Modi? The same CBI. That's what I told the central minister, former central minister, BJP's man. It is not Congress man. Jol Ram has come out categorically and said, it is the BJP party only protecting Naveen Patnaik's government by misusing the power of the CBI. So, do you expect me to go with and plead that same CBI? No, in this case of Itish Pradhan.
CBI is separate matter. We are talking about the involvement of the leader.
No, that's why I see our CLP leader has very categorically explained, word by word. And PCC president has told very clearly, demanding the chief minister's resignation. What does it mean? No, see, it is not a case of only one this thing. Why should I protect a concerned minister? Yes, if he is anybody, whoever the culprit, Congress party wants to bring them before the court of law and get them a punishment, a corporal punishment. Even we want them to be hanged. I told very categorically in Nagar yesterday, if that minister, whoever you are referring, if he is the concerned culprit, yes, we want them to bring it to the court of law, and we want get him to be hanged. No doubt, whoever the culprit. But the same time, by making ruckus, I don't want to escape, or I want to give a way to escape a real culprit. Because the same thing has happened in Rayagada incident, it is Pradhan's incident. Even after the Supreme Court direction, the CBI inquired. The accused, the so-called accused, have been admitted by the BJP into their party. They have given the shelter, not the Congress party. What moral right they have got to accuse the Congress party? That is my question now. So the same way, it may be a drama of BJP to safeguard the real culprit. They might have made some secret pact with that real culprit also. That is the reason. It is totally a diversion. They want to divert the attention of the people, divert the issues. So it is very clearly, CLP leader and PCC president has very clearly, categorically, line by line, what the Chief Justice has mentioned, quoted about the state government's probe. So it is we want a justice, real justice. The victim should get a justice as early as possible. Thank you.